Rohit, is that, what do you think?
Yes, it's important to identify what they are being asked, and as you said, that's the signal. So I clarify as many times as needed what is being asked, and in a way that's friendly, that appears to be confirming, and it's like an affirmation. Yes, this is what we need to do. Yes, I understand. Yes, this is what we need to do, and then they can demonstrate what they're able to perform in that situation. And yeah, just being that presence of support, protection, and just presence with the right amount of information at the right time. That is what helps me get more out of my candidates.
Yeah, yeah. So there's, I would say, two big pillars of introducing noise in a negative way, or not seeing the signal. And so one of them is basically candidates answering the wrong question or getting off track, and so thinking a lot about that how you ask questions and how you clarify is really important. There's another thing that happened in this interview, which is that the candidate got stuck and we wasted time. Like, I was just, sort of a toy situation, but it happens, right? That candidates, they don't know something or they get stuck. And like I said earlier, there's different ways you can handle that. Sometimes it's like, this candidate is having trouble with this data structure. Let's try a different problem. And part of this is like, I used to do a lot of engineering interviews. I could ace 5 interviews in a row for coding interviews, and then like bomb on the 6th one. And is my ability as an engineer the average of all of those, or is it? It's usually not, right? Like, the competencies don't really often work that way. So typically you're trying to find the candidate's best performance, especially for a skill assessment. Right? Skill assessments are a reaction to the more conversational interviews where you could like confidently explain someone else's architecture, or you're sort of explaining some other work or future work, and you can confident your way into a positive decision to move forward from the interviewer that maybe where you're not actually a good fit. Skill assessments, you can't usually confident your way into like knowing an algorithm you don't know. Confidence still helps always, but but you can have this, like, the false negatives become the danger, right? Of bad performance and getting nervous, or even just simply like bad time management.